Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Sam Ryan here. Now, we have a lot to get through here this week, so I want to show you sort of the big picture to kind of give you an idea why we're seeing all these threats. Jet stream, big dip out to the west, big ridge off to the east, a stalled frontal boundary in between, and high pressure that's centered basically over Florida spins the atmosphere in a clockwise direction. And so that is scooping up all this tropical moisture out of the Caribbean and out of the Gulf and sending it right over this stalled front. So the jet stream coming over the top, that provides a lot of wind shear. Severe weather will be possible each and every day starting tomorrow through Saturday. Along with it, we'll have training of storms, meaning storms tracking over the same area over and over, which could lead to the potential of some historic flooding. Right now, the forecast for us is around 10 to 15 inches. Now, that could end up shifting a little to the north, so we could maybe be around 8 to 10 inches or 10 to 15. Looking over the numbers to put it into perspective, the highest 5-day total we have ever seen in Jonesboro is 10.01 inches in 1937. And so again, those are some long-standing records. And we have the potential here over the next 5 days. So therefore, flood watch, again, it's a huge area because that front will kind of wobble back and forth a little bit. And that may provide a little wiggle room, breathing room, if you will, but a flood watch from Wednesday all the way through Sunday morning. Numerous rounds. Again, watching that severe threat, it really kicks off tomorrow. 64 overnight tonight, a high of 81 tomorrow. Strong winds developing out of the south, could gust as high as 49 miles per hour. And so we went from an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow, and now we've been upgraded to a moderate threat. This is a level 4 out of 5. Now, widespread severe storms are likely, according to the Storm Prediction Center. So again, we are smack dab underneath the red. In fact, Jonesboro is mentioned by name in the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. And so again, we're right underneath that. There's your moderate threat, enhanced risk outside of it. So we have a 15% chance of significant strength, that is EF2 or greater, long track tornadoes. So that's going to be the number one threat for us. And then we have also a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds. Significant strength, that is 70 miles per hour or greater coming through. And then we have a hail threat. Thursday, also a slight risk of severe weather. Now we look at the flash flooding threat, and we have a moderate threat of flash flooding here Wednesday night, and getting close to a high risk, which is the highest category you can have. Again, we could see 10 to 15 inches of rainfall through Saturday. So buckle up, folks, and have that storm plan ready.